Hi, I'm Luke Dale Roberts. I'm the chef and owner of Salon Restaurant and a number of other restaurants. I'm originally from the UK. I was born in a small town called Punnettstown in East Sussex, literally a village with a butcher, a baker, a corner shop and a post office. So I opened the test kitchen. The idea there was what I wanted to do is, in Asia, I'd worked with a design company, and their whole concept was putting the kitchen in the restaurant, where the show was the chefs. And then I thought, I want a warehouse. I want to find a warehouse. I want to put the kitchen in the center of it, and I want to take my food to the next level. I wanted to put the blue and white check pants on again, chef's jacket, and really just like try and prove to myself and the rest of the world that I could really cook, you know? So Salon is basically, for me, is my new departure into fine dining. It embodies what I love, which is global cooking. And it's a small, intimate space where we have a reasonably small team in the kitchen in front of the house. And it's all about the food, the flavor, and the atmosphere. I think the design makes it very special. It's the first floor of the old grain silo at the biscuit mill. So you got that really raw kind of warehousey feel, but then it's made plush and luxurious by the finishes. Members can expect friendly, efficient service from a delightful group of individuals. They can expect unique flavors that they haven't experienced before. I think that my food by default is different to everyone else's because I don't copy anyone ever. And I try and look from within when I create a new dish. We got 2 new dishes on the way that I was working on yesterday. I'm feeling incredibly inspired, incredibly energized. And I feel like the food that I'm cooking at the moment is the best food I've cooked. We look forward to welcoming members to Salon soon. This is dining times 10.